Hello friends, today we will solve the 11th problem in our tutorial series on dynamic programming problems, which is maximum product subarray. This is also given in lead code and we'll solve it here. So let's see about the problem statement. So we are given an integer array of nums like this, and we have to find a contiguous non-empty array, subarray, sorry. So contiguous, this is important. This keyword is important that it should be always contiguous, means that it can be only like 2, 3 or 3 minus 2, 4 and all. We cannot remove any element from between. It has to be contiguous. It's not like sequence that we have seen before. It should be contiguous. So what we have to do is that in the given array of numbers in this array, we have to find a contiguous non-empty subarray within the array that has the largest product and then return the product. So here is the max product and then we have to return the value of int. And it has been given here that the test cases are generated so that the answer will fit in a 32-bit integer. Because, for example, it can be a very huge number when we multiply all those. It can overflow the integer. It can result in long. So that's why they have mentioned that the test cases are generated so that the answer will fit in a 32-bit integer. And a subarray is a contiguous subsequence of the array. So let's look at this example here. So for input given as nums 2, 3, minus 2, 4. So here we see that the answer is given as 6 because only these two elements, 2 and 3, are giving me the product of 6, which is the highest. If we look at this example, actually there are a lot of sub-arrays possible, right? We can choose 2, 3 or minus 2, or if I choose the whole 2, 3, minus 2 and 4. So one brute force approach would be we calculate for each of the sub-arrays and calculate the product and we find the maximum out of it. But this would result in the very, very exponential type of time complexity because suppose we starting with 2 and then we calculate 2 into 3 and then 2, 3 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 2 minus 2, 4. And then we start again with 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 and 4 and all. So it would be a very, very inefficient algorithm to solve like that. So this is one thing. For the example 2, we see that we are given with minus 2, 0 and minus 1 and the solution is given as 0. The result cannot be 2 because minus 2 minus 1 is not a subarray. Because if you want to remove this item, we cannot do that because it has to be contiguous. So this is about the problem statement. And we'll see in our next video how to solve this using our bottom-up dynamic programming approach. So see you all in the next video.